Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change wallpaper on your Pixel 10 Pro. To change the wallpaper, I think the easiest way is to just press and hold on the home screen, then tap on wallpaper and style, and it will get you to the wallpaper and style settings. Now you can go to lock screen or home screen, and now to get a wallpaper, simply you can click on more wallpapers. Now select a wallpaper. You can also use Wallpaper Studio to actually edit that wallpaper from a photo, for example. There's choose photos, so you can choose it from your gallery. There's live effects, AI wallpaper or emoji workshop. There's also different collections right here, provided by Google, but I think I will select the live effects version, and I'll go to photos on my phone, and I'll select a photo that I'll later set as my wallpaper. So yeah, we can see there's, for example, this photo right here. I'm gonna select it. Let's see if it discovers everything correctly. Yes, it did. And now you can add a frame. You can, of course, I believe, swipe between shapes, right? So yeah, we can also change the brightness of the shape. We can change its color. I think I'm gonna stick to that red, and you can also add some weather information instead of that shape, but I actually want that shape. Let's see if no, it doesn't have this like effect of depth, unfortunately, but besides that, yeah, we can have it here. Now you can see there's this like effects here. We can edit them again. You can click on the wallpaper to see how it looks. You can approve it. For the home screen, you can also click on it, and you can't really adjust the position, but never mind. Let's click on next, and you can select whether to apply it to home screen or lock screen or whatever. With the live effects, you actually need to apply it to both, because you'll see the animation in a moment, and what I mean by it. But yeah, you can see you can also do way more. You can go to the lock screen and change the clock style to a different one. You can change the clock size to large or small. You can change the color of the clock. I think I'm just gonna set it to gray, and you can change here all the stuff about clock. You can change the shortcuts, the left and right shortcut here at the bottom of the lock screen. I'm gonna leave them as they are, and you can change some other privacy settings. Then for the home screen, you can change the colors of the whole system. You can change the color contrast, the icons on the screen, and the layout. I'm gonna leave it like that. Now I'm gonna show you the animation. When I unlock, you can see it just expands, the frame expands, and it looks pretty nice. Now I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.